Have you ever dreamed of making money from YouTube, but felt stuck because you don't want to show your face or spend hours editing videos? Let's talk about the difference between a traditional YouTube channel and YouTube automation. A traditional channel is what we all know. You're the creator, the editor, the voice, the face. You come up with the idea, record yourself, edit the video, create the thumbnail, write the description. It's all on you. And honestly, it works, but it takes time. And most people quit because they burn out or can't stay consistent. But actually, even with traditional channels, you can lighten the load a bit. You can hire freelancers to do the editing or create your thumbnails. That way, all you have to do is record yourself. You're still the face of the channel, but you outsource the rest to save time and energy. Now let's look at YouTube automation. Instead of doing everything yourself, you build a system. You hire a scriptwriter. You get a voiceover artist from Fiverr. You pay an editor. You outsource the thumbnail and upload process. All you do is manage the project, like a business owner. This means you can produce 3, 5, even 10 videos per week without ever picking up a camera or using your own voice. It's faceless. It's scalable. And best of all, you're not trading your time for money. But does that mean it's easier? Not necessarily. With traditional channels, the biggest investment is your time. With automation channels, the biggest investment is your money to pay your team, test niches, and improve the process. So, which one is better? If you love creating content and want to build a personal brand, go traditional. And if you don't want to do everything yourself, you can still outsource parts of it and make it easier. But if you think like a business owner and want to grow like a media company, go automation. At the end of the day, both models work, but only if you take them seriously, like a real business. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.